Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, me and my friend who is a student from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan will be presenting our design thinking project with the topic of safety workplace. But first, let me introduce you to our team members. The first is me, Muhammad Faiz bin Kamal Zabidi. The second member is Muhammad Akmal Hanafi bin Samsuri. The third member is Muhammad Zul Haziq bin Hambali. And last but not least is Abdul Azim bin Roslan. This is our persona for the project. He is Hairil Hazmi, age 36 years old, range age 30 to 40. He is working as a planning engineer at City Utama LRT3 and he has been working for 10 years. He also a father for 2 children. So depends on why we have been interviewed. We have listed that the problem that he is facing at his workplace is limited amount of worker at working site. Working process is a far more longer than before. Some of the worker at the site still can't fully follow the SOP that has been given, and the worker can't share the tools. So what we have been synthesizing is the user need an automatic sanitizer so the worker can share their tool more frequently, and the user need a automatic hand sanitizer and body temperature so less time for the sanitation and more time for work. And from that we have been generating that we aim to help the worker at the construction site so that they can do their work a lot more faster and slimming the chance of them getting infected with the virus. This is the project that we have come up to solve his problem. It is called the Sanitizer. First, let me tell you the function of our product. Our product is the sanitize equipment after use and also to measure the body temperature of workers at the same time. This is the parts and component that our product have. First is thermal camera to detect body temperature, mechanical gear to move the camera and sanitize spray, light to illuminate the room, colored button to start on and off the machine, liquid sprayer to let our sanitizing sprayer vapor out. Liquid sprayer to let out sanitizing vapor, tool rack to put tools for sanitization, see-through glass to see what's happening in the sanitizer room, and monitor to display information. Next is the characteristic of our product. The first is shape. It is a square storage room. And as for the material, we use steel for the door, PVC for the piping, cement for the wall, and glass for the window. As for the dimension, the storage is height 2.4 meters, the width is 3.1 meters, and the length is 4.5 meters. As for the temperature and sanitation station, the height is 2.4 meters, the width is 1 meter, and the length is also 1 meter. As for the color, the outer side is the blue and the inner we choose red. This is the feature of our product or the uniqueness of our product. It is to sanitize the equipment after use, check the temperature of our workers, sanitize workers before and after work, and also sanitize a lot of equipment in one time. This is the front view of our product. For the storage room, at the top, we see a light to indicate the machine is running. And for the left side, we see a see-through glass. And for the right side, we have a button for open and close, on and off, and also an emergency button. In the middle part, we have a steel door. And for the TNS station, we have a light indicator, a camera that detects temperature, and a spray sanitizer to spray the whole body of the workers. And from the top, we can see the tools rack, spray sanitizer, and light indicator. And lastly, this is the side view of our product. And finally, I will tell you on how to use our product. Let's say we take the situation of after work. So, after work, press the black button to open the doors and place your tools and equipments on the rack. After that, close the door by pressing the same button again. Next, press the green button and wait for the green light on the top of the door to light up. The monitor will show you that the process of sanitizing is ongoing. And then, head to the temperature scan and sanitizing station and wait for the machine to do its job. After all of that is done, you are free to head home.